Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's Mary here, and I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use stickers on WhatsApp. So when you go to your WhatsApp application and then you click on who you wish to send stickers to, you click on the sticker icon, which is just before the camera icon, and then you can see the most recently used stickers here, and then you can click on the star icon to show the ones you've saved, or you can just click on these ones to show the ones that are on WhatsApp by default. Then you send whichever sticker you wish to send by just clicking on it, and then it will be sent. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.